9 a.m. right now, East Taunton, Massachusetts. I don't think I'll be swinging the metal detector anytime soon, but we got about 7 inches right now, and it's supposed to snow until midnight tonight. Gonna get quite a bit of snow. Sure looks beautiful though, huh? The mimosa that I've been drinking is frozen. Oh, the doggies are loving it. Ooh, little fun in the snow, huh? Woohoo! Go Fender! I have a few icicles on my beard, I think. So I do have somebody coming to plow my driveway, but I've been shoveling a little bit here where the plow's not going to be able to get, as well as building this gigantic fort and slide for my children. So it's going to be a big slide down the front, and it's probably going to be another 10 inches to a foot taller than this. And right here, there's a bunch of stairs I started to shape out of it. So that's what I'm doing during this winter storm right now. And right as I came out here earlier, we had some birds in that little birdhouse I put on the telephone pole there, and they were around our bird seed too, eating it. And I was up on my porch, me and Megan sitting there, and I had a little bird come in and fly right on my finger while we were standing there. It was amazing. I had my phone in my pocket, so I couldn't take any pictures or film, but yep, that's it. Nice big blizzard of 2022. Still plenty of hours and inches of snow coming down.